Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to download and install apps on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To install application, click on app launcher icon. Here look for Google Play Store. Simply open it. Using it, you can install any Android application on your Chromebook. Simply look for the application you want to install, then click on install button. However, if you don't have Google Play Store support on your Chromebook, then also you can install application. For that, first of all, you have to update your Chromebook to the latest Chrome OS version. To update, click on App Launcher icon, open Settings. Here scroll down and click on About Chrome OS and click on Check for Updates and install the latest version of Chrome OS. After that, click on launcher icon and here you should get a new application called Apps and Games. Simply open it and here you will find all the optimized application for your Chromebook. Simply look for the application you want to install, select it and here you will find two download option. Get it from Google Play Store and install from web. If your Chromebook support Google Play Store, simply click on Google Play Store option. It will open Google Play Store installation page. Here click on install, or else you can install the PWA version of the application. For that, simply click on install from web. Here you will get the installation window. Simply click on install. So that's it. This is how you can download and install apps on Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.